In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on TrustWallet, whether you're transferring crypto from an exchange, buying in-app with a card, or adding cash in person. I'll walk you through each option clearly so your funds arrive safely. Start by opening TrustWallet. On the home screen, tap Receive. This is where you generate a wallet address for the asset you want to fund. Think of it like your account number on the blockchain. Next, select the specific asset you want to deposit, then copy the wallet address shown. Double check that the network displayed here matches the network you plan to use. For example, if you pick a token on a certain chain, you must send it over that same chain. Sending to the wrong network can result in a loss of funds, so take a moment to confirm. You can use the copy button to avoid typos. Now head to your exchange account and choose withdraw or send. Paste the Trust Wallet address you just copied into the recipient field. Select the same network you saw in Trust Wallet, enter the amount, review the fees, and submit the transaction. Transfer times vary by network load. Many deposits appear within minutes, while some may take longer. If you're moving a large amount, consider starting with a small test amount first to confirm everything is set up correctly. If you'd rather buy directly inside Trust Wallet, return to the app, tap Fund on the home screen, and choose Buy Crypto. Pick the currency or token you want, then select your preferred payment method, such as a bank card or other available provider in your region. You'll see a quote that includes provider fees and limits before you confirm. Some providers may require identity verification, and availability can vary by location, so review the details carefully before proceeding. You can also add cash in person. From the home screen, tap Fund, then select Deposit Cash. Choose the asset you want to receive, pick a participating retail location, and follow the on-screen prompts to generate a barcode. The app will show you any limits, fees, and the barcode's expiration time. Finally, go to the selected retail location, show the barcode to the cashier, and pay with cash. Keep your receipt until the funds arrive in Trust Wallet. Most cash deposits credit shortly after the provider processes the payment, though timing can vary. Only pay at authorized registers and never share your wallet recovery phrase with anyone. That's it. You've learned how to deposit money on Trust Wallet by receiving from an exchange, buying in-app, or paying cash at a retail partner.